Welcome, Phylox and Ryjex tribes, to your first Double Tribe Immunity Challenge. I'm glad that the tribes decided to bring the immunity statues with them, the twin immunity statues, because today you won't be playing for these. In fact, you won't be seeing them again for ever. As I said, there are now 2 tribes, so that means we'll be playing for 1 solo reward. This right here is the soul immunity statue. This is what you want to win in this game now. So if you win this, you and every single member of your tribe will have immunity, and your tribe will not attend tribal council. Only the other tribe will. So it's either win or completely lose. 50-50 chance. So yeah, that's practically it. Anyways, for today's challenge, you guys will be doing a Paper Mario style 7-on-7 battle. And no, I'm not talking about Sticker Star. That game kinda stunk. So anyways, how the challenge will work is, it will be tribe leader against tribe leader in an RPG style fight. That's similar to Paper Mario. And by that I mean the 1,000-Year Door, even though I never played it. And both tribes will have 1 partner at their side. The leader of the tribe gets more HP than the partners, than the other members. So it'll take a lot of effort to KO the opposing tribe. You'll use your specific movements and your special abilities to KO the opposing tribe leader. So it'll go one at a time, and we will basically flip a coin as to who gets their turn first. Just to keep in mind, the tribe leaders cannot dodge. Only the partners can, if they can try to, at least. So once you attack another player, the player will lose some HP. You can switch out partners anytime, but that'll count as the tribe leader's move. Basically, if you played Paper Mario, the system is kinda similar. If you KO another opponent's HP, if you KO a partner, then that partner cannot be used and must be switched out. If the tribe leader gets KO'd, then the tribe loses. The first tribe to KO the opposing tribe's leader wins immunity. Guaranteed safety in this game. Losers, tribal council tonight, where the 5th contestant will be voted out of this game. So, and there won't be any reward for this, since there will be a reward challenge tomorrow. Anyways, we'll give you guys a minute to strategize, and we'll randomly flip a coin for first turn, and then we'll get started. Alrighty, after flipping a coin, the Phylox tribe will take the first move, and the Ryjex tribe will take the next move. Remember, tribe leaders can dodge, partners cannot. I missaid a few things back there, sorry. Anyways, Meta Knight and Francisca have the same amount of HP. First to replenish the other tribe leader's HP is the winner. For immunity, survivors ready. Fight! Meta Knight gets the first turn. missed. Susie goes, alright, Francisca, this is what you get. Ah! Dang it, I dodged too early. That's revenge. Now the Rhydex tribe's turn. Francisca goes, alright, I got this. Freeze! Bolt! Mennonite is frozen and can't move. Dee Dee's turn. Ah. Hurry up! Ow! Alright, since Mennonite is frozen, it's Susie's turn. Ah, robot shield! Now it's Francisca's turn. Ice! The shield blocked the attack. DDD. DDD power! DDD restored Francisca's HP. Mennonite is unfrozen. Mennonite uses wind. Here we go. Ow! Susie's turn. Yeah. Whoa! King Dee took damage. Francisca's turn. Alright, Susie, this is what you get. Susie's been KO'd. My turn now. Ah, you missed. Mennonite's turn. Mennonite swaps out Susie for Smash Luigi. Smash Luigi's turn. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Aw, man, I missed. I can dodge in case if you forgot. Susie's turn, or Francisca's turn. Now Mennonite is left unguarded. Haha, you missed. Dang it! King Dedede's turn. Foul! Sorry, Smash Luigi. I had to do that. Oh man. I thought you were my ally. Okay, now it is Mennonite's turn. I'm going to use my special attack. And your special attack is... Know my power. Ah! Oh! Oh. Mennonite KO'd King Dedede, and Stu and Francisca took critical damage. Smash Luigi's turn. Smash Luigi missed. Dang it! Francisca's turn. Francisca swaps out for Sonic. Sonic's turn. Oh boy. Ah! Mennonite took damage. He is low on HP. Oh boy. Aha, a healing item. Mennonite used Life Shroom. Mennonite's HP fully restored. Smash Luigi's turn. Special attack time. Oh, right when I was about to go back in. Dang. I'm still alive. Not for much longer. Francisca's turn. A little mushroom. Francisca restored 10 HP. Sonic's turn. Hedgehog defense. Meta Knight's turn. Triple slice. Duh! Sonic is dizzy and can't attack. Francisca's left unguarded. Okay, I can do this. Oh, man, I couldn't see you. Haha. Getting really low on HP now, and I don't have any healing items at the moment. I might as well freeze you since you're all unguarded. Here. Yeah. Oh. Smash Luigi is frozen and can't move. Sonic is still dizzy. Meta Knight's turn. Okay, I got this. Meta Knight, double slash. Wow! What? We lost? The battle is over. Phylox wins immunity. That was close. Yay! Meta Knight, you won! We won! Yeah! Take that, Francisca. Oh man, I was so close to actually winning. I never even did get a fight. Congratulations, Phylox tribe. You're the first this tribe to win single immunity. This is yours. Immunity. Haha, you got it. Anyways, Phylox, got nothing else for you. You can head back to your camp and just have a normal night. And Ryajek's tribe, I'll see you tonight for your first tribal council. I'll give you guys the rest of the afternoon to think about who you want to vote out, and that's it. I never got Paper Mario the 1,000-Year Door. Sad face. JRPG titles never make sense. They're just a bunch of random words thrown together. Well, we are going to tribal council. Francisca barely helped at all. Oh, sort of. Well, at least you gave a best effort. Yeah, thank you for acknowledging me for that. Well, we're doomed. So, we're in tribal council trouble. I don't know who's going home, who's talking to who. It's just every contestant for themselves out here. Well, not yet, but you get the point. I have no idea who's going home or what's happening. This is basically just miscellaneously happening. We'll just have to see what would happen. Yeah, this'll be interesting. One interesting night for us. I just want to get this next tribal council over with. Because the Connect tribe has faced way too many tribal councils. More than the Amiibo tribe, more than the Plushies tribe. Even though we're now down to 2 tribes, there still might be a spark of hope left for us. Hopefully. I just need to hold on to my hopes and dreams. No pun intended.
because Undertale came out a few years ago, and the first chapter of its sequel, sort of, whatever, Toby Fox Doesn't Matter, came out as well. I have no idea what's happening. Why is Undertale popular again?
Welcome, Ryjek's tribe, to your first tribal council as a swapped tribe. So, you lost your first challenge as a swapped tribe. And so, yeah. So, Cutman, how do you feel about this loss, Burden?
Well, I mean, it could be worse, like, well, actually, tribal council is probably the worst thing that can happen to you when getting voted out.
Good point there, Cutman. Anyways, Francisca, who are you basing your vote off tonight?
It's short and simple, like the theme song for The Amazing World of Gumball.
Did anybody even watch that in 2018?
Never mind that. King DDD, your efforts in the challenge were kind of a big deal, and you were going pretty hard, but you ended up failing just shortly but you ended up failing, and you were the first to get KO'd. Probably, I don't know. But anyways, what was your experience on the challenge?
Well, I definitely think that this challenge was a pretty neat idea. Like an RPG. Yeah. So, yeah, it was amazing. It was a pretty great idea. But yet I failed hard.
And before we continue onward, Sonic, you being the biggest plushie, does that make you the biggest threat?
Well, it's a possibility.
Alrighty, with that said, it is time to begin voting. But first, if anybody has a hidden old advantage that can be played at this point in the game, and you want to play it, now's the time to do it.
Excuse me, yes? Ooh. I have the hidden old advantage, and it's a voteless coin from Season 1. I saw this, and I witnessed that elimination mistake.
The rules of the voteless coin state that if the voteless coin is played, the player that plays it won't get to vote, and he basically does absolutely nothing. This is the voteless coin, which means Diddy Kong won't vote in this tribal council. As for everybody else, when I call your name, you're gonna go to that little box of connects track pieces on my right, and write down one contestant you want to eliminate from this game. Once everybody has voted, the votes will be tallied. Blah blah blah, you know. Anyways, Cutman, start us off.
It was a selfish move to not vote. Now you're going to pay. It was his choice for him to go, because he clearly said that he could possibly be the biggest threat because he's the biggest plush. We can't have big plushes here.
Sonic, it's time for you to go. I'm sorry to have to do this to you, but a big plush can't, but a small K'NEX figure like me cannot survive a big plush like you. And Francisca, I trust you.
I will now go tally the votes. I have the votes right here. Once they're read and the decision is final, the contestant with the most votes has to win the Tribal Council area immediately. I will now speak the votes. First vote, Diddy. Second vote, Sonic. One vote Diddy, one vote Sonic. Sonic. It's 2 votes Sonic. Diddy. We are tied. 2 votes Diddy, 2 votes Sonic. Sonic. That's 3 votes Sonic, 2 votes Diddy. 1 vote left. Final vote. Diddy Kong. Alrighty. For the first time this season, we have a tie.
What?
Suma aí!